गजपूर्वा वदनं दुरितं गविनाशं गविनाशं गतशमनं शतसूर्यनिवासं गजवदनं दुरितं गविनाशम्
पोषकं भवसुतं विनायकं भक्तालिपोषकम्
होती है सात सरों की एक लड़ी।
Interlock your fingers and turn your palms upward. Keep your arms straight and close your ears. Now exhale and slowly bend your body to the right side without bending forward or backward. Hold the posture for 10 seconds while breathing normally.
Stretch upward from the west. Exhale and bend forward until your rest to the floor or as close as to the floor. Hold the
Exhale and bend backward to the lower arm joint. Inhale and slowly bring the starting position. Release your hands and relax.
Middle finger. Hold for 5 seconds with normal breathing. Return to standing position and keep both arms sideways to shoulder level.
Keep your left leg straight and maintain balance. Hold the posture for 5 seconds while breathing normally. Slowly straighten your right knee. Bring your arms down. Bend your left knee until your left thigh is parallel to the ground.
Yoga Day, which is celebrated as the International Yoga Day by the entire world. Since the last 12 years, yoga is being celebrated throughout the world. And every year, we all, not only in our school, but in lakhs of schools around the country, come together and do yoga. But the point of this day is not about only celebrating it for one day, but yoga as our Prime Minister and everyone keeps speaking, yoga is something which keeps your mind, your body, and yourself together, grounded. So it is very important you make yoga as a part of your lifestyle. How many of you think yoga is a part of your lifestyle? You can raise your hands. How many of you are able to sit straight? No. That is I can see half of you are not even able to sit straight. How many of you, if I tell that, another 3 hours, you'll have to sit here. Can you do it? Okay, I like the appreciate the energy. But why I am asking you this question is that without yoga, for example, I will tell you, today you want to sit down, your right leg is supporting you, your left leg will not support you. Your PT teacher will tell you, lift both your hands up and do an exercise. You personally want to do that, but your body will not support. You will not be flexible enough. Even though your mind and one of your muscle wants to support, or even both your muscle wants to support, your body has to support. You should be flexible enough. For that, yoga really brings flexibility, and it also brings coordination between different parts of your body and also your soul, which is why yoga is greater than all the sports which are there on this planet. If you are a cricketer, you might really have some very strong arms, some very strong muscle power, muscle memory as well. If you are a tennis player, you might have a few muscles in your body that are very good. But every sports person, whichever sport they are good in, definitely you should be able to meditate. Definitely you should be able to think straight, even when difficult situations, come your way. Even MS Dhoni, when he has to hit one ball 6 runs. How many of you all know MS Dhoni? So if he has to hit one ball 6 runs, and if you or me have to hit one ball 6 runs, who will do it better? So do you think all of you or me, can't we hit a 6? We all can, but he can do it only if there is one ball 6 also he can do it. Why do you think he can do it? Because of his temperament, because of his calmness, coolness, and because he will not let any pressure affect him, no matter what. Even if a Pakistani bowler is bowling 160 kilometers per hour, he will not get scared. Even if a spinner is bowling 50 kilometers and if he's spinning the ball this much, he will not get scared. Even if Prime Minister is sitting in the ground and watching the match, he will not get scared. That is because he is very mentally fit. Am I right? So this yoga day, what I would like to advise to all of you is that it is very important to be mentally fit. Your teachers will anyways teach you maths, physics, chemistry, biology, everything. But to be mentally fit is something that you have to decide for yourself from today. Will you all say that, okay, from today, you will all come forward and be mentally fit? Let us see. So next year, yoga program, we will have 5 hours program. We'll sit in the ground and we will test each other's mental ability as well. Okay? A very, very happy International Yoga Day to all of you. Tomorrow also there is a very big program in Parade Grounds that we are organizing, as you all are aware. So my advice, as I've already given to all of you, it is also my pleasure to be part of all this Gen Z. Always, whenever I sit in front of all of you, you all give us so much of energy. We are sitting under this tent with a fan. You all are sitting in the hot sun. But we are getting so much of energy from all of you. You are the youth of this nation who are going to run this country forward. You are going to lead big companies. You are going to lead this country, become leaders. You are going to create so many amazing things going forward. So practice yoga, become very mentally fit, physically fit, and also teach us more and more things. Thank you once again, all of you. A happy International Yoga Day.
So I congratulate you all and your staff for organizing today's program in a befitting manner, and without you, there will be no program in any institution. So you are all the most important concern to this event organization. Everybody are feeling cool, no? You can respond. Whenever you are asked, you can respond. Are you feeling well? Feeling cool? Very good. Even though we are in hot sun, when we concentrate, mind in our work, then certainly we will be cooling, we will be feeling cool. You need not worry about it. Because whatever work we take up, we have to do in different climatic conditions. So whatever the climatic condition may be, we are supposed to complete our work. That's why we do not worry about hot sun or even rains. Last year, I believe. So we do organize this countdown programs, the big programs in LV Stadium and parade grounds and all such. So last year, there was a heavy rain. But even then, we could not postpone our activity there for even a minute. We could continue that one until we complete the scheduled program. So in that way, we are supposed to do our activities. How many of you are able to understand Telugu better than English? Telugu better than English? No one? Okay. What for you are studying? Anybody can respond. What for you are studying? One by one. No, I am not asking your class. What for you are studying? My question is, what for you are studying? To gain the knowledge, for better future, to improve skills, to get wonderful job, to earn a lot of money, right? Any more answers? Yeah. You're all right. But to become a right person, a correct person, a characterized person, a healthy person, wealthy person, we required one another thing besides your day-to-day education. Education may help you to become knowledgeable person, talented person, skilled person, calibered person, and all such. But besides that, we required a very good health. Health cannot be built by the education in you, isn't it? And health we get through the yoga. Yoga is the better option to the world humanity, to have a better quality life, to have healthy life, to have strong life, and to have better life, to have peaceful life, and all such. You cannot purchase peace by money. You cannot purchase health by money. You cannot get the health by your any profession, your any level of education. And health is the most important tool in our day-to-day life. So without that, there is no use of becoming wealthy, becoming intellect, becoming rich, and all such. Because without health, you cannot utilize anything which is available to you, which you can earn even, which you can get traditionally even. Any such thing cannot be utilized by you unless you are healthier. So to get a better health and to face the challenges in day-to-day world in point of health, no medicinal system which is available in the present world is answer for that. There are number of diseases which cannot be cured by the present allopathic system. Just they will maintain or they will control or they prolong our death little bit. But if you wanted to have answer for all these things. During the corona period, you might have aware of it, that the people, those who are gone to the hospitals for the treatment, more than 90% of such people admitted in the hospitals are died after paying lakhs of rupees to the hospitals. And more than 90% of people, they are alive, those who practiced the yoga. So yoga is a protector of us, protector of our life. Practice yoga every day. Yoga must be an essential and integral part of your daily life. Such people only will become healthier, wealthier, and all such. And especially, just now I have discussed with your Yashwant sir regarding the various yoga programs and competitions to be organized, and before that the training will be given to you and your staff. Nowadays, if you practice yoga daily, sincerely, seriously, you will get all the things. Better health, better future, better life, and you can earn more money in the field of yoga than the other employees. And you will get a wonderful reservation in the education, higher education, and you will get wonderful opportunities because of the yoga certificate. You will get wonderful opportunities in the field of employments. So there is employment opportunity, there is a better earning source, and it is a protector of your health, and it gives a better and peaceful, calm life to you. And the yoga you need to practice every day, and for which we will think of and plan up in days to come. So once again, I thank you all, congratulate you all for sitting in the hot sun and listening to me. But the things, whatever I said, you try to remember and put them in practice, then only you will get benefit out of these words. As well, I thank the management and staff of this institution for inviting me here to speak few words on this appropriate occasion. So I thank one and all.